In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Grok AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the sign-in option that works best for you, all without getting tripped up along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to grok.com. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site by checking the address bar and the secure lock icon. Keeping your browser up to date also helps prevent odd loading issues during sign-in. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner for the sign-in button. On desktop, it's usually visible there, while on mobile, you might find it behind a menu icon at the top. Click Sign In to open the Grok account portal. Here you'll see several ways to access your account. If you prefer using your social login, choose the option to log in with X. You'll be redirected to a secure X authorization page. If you're already signed into that account, you may just need to confirm access. Otherwise, enter your credentials there. After approving, you'll be sent back to Grok and your account will load. If you'd rather use your email, select the Login with Email option. Enter the email address associated with your Grok account and follow the prompt. Depending on the setup, you might receive a one-time code or a secure link. Check your inbox, and if it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, glance at your spam or promotions folders. Open the message, complete the verification, and you'll be signed in. Prefer a federated login? Click the Google option to pick your Google account and approve access. If you're signed in already, you'll likely just confirm and continue. If prompted, enter your Google password and complete any security checks. The process is similar with Apple. Click the Apple option, sign in with your Apple ID if needed, review the permissions, and continue. Use whichever method you're most comfortable with, ideally the one tied to the same email you used when you first set up Grok. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you use two-factor authentication on any of these services, have your verification method ready. It's an important layer of security. If something doesn't load, refresh the page or try a different browser. And if you ever see a page that looks unusual or asks for unexpected information, close the tab and navigate back to grok.com manually. That's it. You've successfully learned how to log into your Grok AI account using X email, Google, or Apple.